one time Duppy story tell, skin not beard, where skin beard I go? Get out of here, please. Hey guys, it's your girl Queenie here from Life with the Farleys, and today I'll be telling you guys what it's like growing up in the amazing, beautiful island of Jamaica. Hey guys, thank you for staying so long. Thank you for supporting me and my channel, and let's get into it. So first thing I want to say is we wear uniforms to school. It's simply amazing. Both private school and public school do wear uniforms. I really do like wearing uniforms because that way you don't have to worry about how many clothes you have and how often you have to change that clothes. And second, our Christmas class parties, like every child look forward to a class party. It's amazing. We get cake, free food. Well, not really free. We contribute a small due towards the cooking, but we play music, we dance, we eat food. It's simply amazing. And for the adults, we have this grand market that goes on. So the stores are open up throughout the night, and there's these big speaker boxes that are put at the side of the road that plays music. People go shopping, dancing, drinking, a whole lot of enjoyment. It is just simply amazing, and we all enjoy that. Our Olympic season. If you don't know, you're going to know now. Jamaicans, we love our Olympic seasoning. We love our Olympic seasons. It's simply amazing. Everybody, I think, should know Usain Bolt because he's the fastest person in the world. Big up yourself, you saint. Yes, and we all look forward to the Olympic season. And I think most Jamaicans I'm not going to speak for all Jamaicans. I'm going to speak for the Jamaicans I know. When it comes down to Olympic season, we most likely just watch the running and maybe the swimming been done. That's all when it comes down to the Olympic season. And that's it. Our traditional Sunday dinner, like every Sunday we cook. Well, if you don't have it, you don't have to, but the tradition is to cook rice and peas and fried chicken, and that's basic. That's what we cook on Sundays. But you can also go out on a limb and cook some curry goat, some fried fish, some stew beef. Just know the basic is rice and peas and fried chicken. And just know say if you left over some food from Monday, we'll call that Sunday Monday. The leftover food from Sunday that we do eat on Mondays. That's Sunday Monday. And let me just say, food tastes way better. Way better when it's left over this Sunday. I don't know why Tuesday, Wednesday don't taste as good. And I don't know why Thursday, Friday don't taste as good. But the Sunday Monday people. The Sunday Monday is something else. That's something to talk about. So we have our traditional Sunday dinner. Rice and peas and fried chicken. With a little vegetable on the side. And if you have it, you can just throw in your little carrot juice or your little carrot and beetroot. But some days, some tough days, if you don't have it, you're going to eat. You may have your rice and peas still. And you just flash out one tin mackerel on the side. And it's still as good. Still as good. And we're going to move on here to tea in the morning. Like, I think it's a Jamaican thing to drink tea in the morning. It's not an option once you grow up in a Jamaican home. Your mother will make you drink tea in the morning. It helps you to function throughout the rest of the day. now that I'm an adult and I don't live in my mother's house anymore, I have become so spoiled that I have stopped drinking tea in the morning. I really do need to get back to it. But when I was breaking out of that habit, I must say I had terrible migraines. I felt bad throughout the whole day. And even now, even if I don't drink tea in the morning now and say I'm having a headache or my tummy is aching me, I'm going to be like, hey, Saki, you can make me some tea, please? And that tea, let me tell you, it's medicine. Because if you have a migraine or if you have a belly ache and you drink some tea, some real bush tea, I talk about mint tea and all the works, just know so the gas are going to bust in your belly and you're not going to feel the pain no more. And the gas are going to bust in your head and you're not going to feel the pain no more. It's going to disappear. It's going to disappear. So reggae music and dancehall music, it's a part of our tradition. It's a part of our culture. And that's what we listen to mostly in Jamaica. Jamaican music, as people would call it. I'm sure most people, if not every single person in the world, knows Bob Marley. He's very famous. And what most people know for reggae music, one of our most famous Jamaican artists too, I'm sure you guys know Shaggy. And may not know, a lot of people may not know Vybz Kartel, but every single Jamaicans do know him. So music means a whole lot to us, and we involve it in our everyday life. If we're cooking, we're playing, or we're listening or singing music, okay? If we're cleaning, you just drop one music in there and the cleaning finish before you blink, you finish clean. You understand? If you're washing clothes, just go and sing a tune in your head and before you know, the clothes done wash. So I think most Jamaicans involve music in their everyday life and all, but it's amazing. I love it, and I think most Jamaicans, we do love it. So let's move on. Me talk about the Grand Market. It's just a Christmas celebration. It happens before Christmas Day, so it's Christmas Eve. We go out, we shop, we have drinks, we chill with friends and families. It's just simply amazing. On Christmas Day, we cook our ham, if you eat ham, curry goat, fried fish. Let me just say, you see, if you don't have it throughout the whole year, they're going to find we have it for the Christmas. Because Christmas, I think it's my favorite holiday. And I think it's because of food. Because me, a real foodie, and me, Queenie, love my food. So it's upon Christmas time, when mama goes to boop, Queenie, just go and wash the carrot them, blend up the carrot and the beetroot. Oh Jesus. The fried chicken, the curry goat. If I have two fish, I'm going to have the two fish because at Christmas time, we save up the money there throughout the whole year to have the two fish. So you don't know, say, we have fish, we have curry goat, we have fried chicken. If we have piece of beef, with the rice and peas and vegetable on the side, and we strong back, beetroot and carrot because I just saw we do it on Christmas time. We may be hungry throughout the whole year, but we don't care. It is Christmas. Christmas, people. Simply amazing. Ring game. Growing up, I feel like every picking, I don't know if I do it anymore because everybody is grown. But growing up, ring game was a thing. Ring a roses. All them something there. It was a whole thing. Oh, McDonald have a farm. It was just simply amazing. Growing up in the country where I'm from, the country part of Jamaica also, I want to talk about the free fruits them. The free fruits them. Like I have in my yard, well, my mother yard in Jamaica, we have this big East Indian mango tree, and we have common mango tree. And if me have mango and my neighbor don't have mango, I'm gonna give my neighbor mango. That's what I love about Jamaica. Everybody just nice to themselves in the country part there. I cannot speak for all of Jamaica. I will not. I refuse to. I haven't lived all of the parishes in Jamaica, so I am not going to talk about all the parishes. We do have 14 parishes. And Me I talk about bread baskets. The bread basket at Jamaica. If my neighbor have watermelon, don't know say my yard will get 1 or 2 watermelon. If the watermelon grown no sell, them say, you know what? Just come and take up as much as you want. Take up for your family, take up for your friend, pick up for your pig them, your animal them, all these things. If my neighbor don't have mango and me have mango on my tree, me climb the mango tree and make sure so my neighbor them get mango. East Indiana, yeah, you the best mango ever. You understand? Because if me run out of scallion, me can run and say, hey, me can get a piece of scallion for you, please, and I'm gonna give you a piece of scallion. If me run out of salt and me I cook, I'm gonna say, yo, me just run go next door and say, beg you some salt no? Or beg you some sugar no? If me have lime on the tree, you don't know, so my neighbor I go get lime. That's how I love about Jamaica. At least the country part of Jamaica still. Up here now. You don't care about us. You have your neighbor, you not even know your neighbor name. Sadly. But I could talk about Jamaica. I just like how everybody just nice and a little community. Everybody know everybody. In a little area where you're living at, everybody know everybody by name. Picking it up here, we walk past you and not pay no mind. You say Jamaica, growing up, if you feel say you big enough for walk past an elder and don't say good morning, good evening, or good night, wapai for your body when you get home. Body burn up. So that me love about the country, part of Jamaica. That me love about Jamaica. How people can be united, people just share, loving, kind to each other, and it's amazing. It is amazing. So growing up too, like every picnic growing up, most children want to be in the local quiz so they can go to the big school challenge quiz. Even if you don't bright, even if you can't read, that's something I look forward to. It is just entertaining to see kids out there spelling, getting all these puzzles. It's just something to look forward to and something that us kids look forward to. Also, singing. They have this choir thing that goes on where you have some little school compete, sing together. It's amazing. Jamaica is amazing. One of the best islands in the Caribbean. If you haven't been there yet, please go there. Please go to Jamaica. It is amazing. That's all I can say. Anansi Story, people. You remember Anansi Story? Let me tell you something, man. When it come down to Anansi, him and he look a general self, feel like he can run brain for everybody else. Remember growing up, nighttime we used to circle around for the elder people them tell what Anansi story and prom story. If you don't know any prom, you not come from the country. No, Dopey story. My sister, bigger sister normally say, I am the prom man. I come fit now off your hand. Tell us something. When picking up beard, my back no washing up. My back no washing up. What back wash I go? Excuse me, please. Me just wet up the clot. And put it on the back. Cause you know so when you come out of the bathroom, and your mother say your beard, and you say yeah man, my beard. Mommy say come here, make me feel your back. So you just wet up the clot, like a trick there. Wet up the clot and put the clot on your back so your back feel cool. You just go so. When you're beard, you just go so in the water and wash the hand and wash the little dirty foot them. You understand? Wipe up the private area them. Clean, nice and clean. But when time Dopey story tell, skin not beard, where skin beard I go? Get out of here, please. Remember me tell you, one of the best thing. Holiday too. And our holidays, every single holiday in Jamaica is a beach day. Every holiday is a beach day. And what I say by this is that we have big speakers on the beach. Families come, crowd the beach. They bring their own food. Sometimes there's even people there cooking. They bring their own juice and you just spend a nice day on the beach. And every children look forward to the beach day in Jamaica. especially in the country where I'm from, it's a big deal. It's amazing just to spend a nice day with your family and friend. When you're more grown as adults, you go with your man friend, them, your woman friend, you bring a flask of rum or your quarts of rum with your tracer, and just no step on the day, the beach day, you got drunk, probably eat some sand on the beach. It is just amazing. Everything in Jamaica is amazing. It amazes me every time. I do miss Jamaica, and I hope to retire there. Domino, Domino is something else in Jamaica. I remember growing up, and there's this shop in front of my house where a whole lot of big men always come out there and play domino, and it's just something where people look forward to play after you finish a hard day of work and you finish eat, you bathe your skin, come out clean, play a good up domino or load the game. Put on some money if you have it now. Gamble if you have it now, cause why not? If you not have it, just know so we play one free game. And I talk about domino in Jamaica. When I talk about take time and put on domino upon table. We not do that. I saw slam down. So slam dunk we do, of course, mash up the whole game because we win and we know so we have the winning hand. Simply amazing people. As I said, if you haven't visited Jamaica yet, you need to go to Jamaica. You understand? Barrel. Why you do it, John Crow? Barrel. Me tell you something. Barrel can mash up a strong family. Barrel can mash up a strong family in Jamaica. So barrel are these big containers that people from abroad send to their families in Jamaica. Have food, clothes, like anything in it. And let me tell you something, man. When barrel come in the yard, you know say if Miss Pam not get your soap and she flour, hell broke loose. You know say if Miss Patricia don't get chicken meal and she rice and she want in a tuna with your soap. Let me tell you something, man. Hell broke loose in the house. Let me tell you something. So, yeah. Jamaica to walk into school was a thing. We walk go to school. I mean, I talk about a few miles well going back from school. If you live far out from the school, then I guess you take school bus. But normally Pikini, you just group up. Like me group up with my neighbor Pikini them and walk go to school and walk come back and everything alright. We have on the good school shoes them. And even if they're not good, remember say my foot have steel in a hit. So every school shoes me get, I could have sketches as well, clocks, everything all but not on the bottom. And walk go to school and I'm well happy. We go to school go learn and we eat. My favorite part of school was break time and lunchtime. That's why I don't learn nothing. But walk go to school and I'm well happy and walk come home and I'm well happy. And nothing never do we. You hear that, Nyla? You have to go walk go to school. Rain cancel everything. The video I go longer than I want to go. Rain cancel everything in Jamaica. Rain. Remember say if it rain, mommy, me not go to school, mommy. If you're working at a bar, rain, boss, you know, so me not come in to the door. Depending upon the work where you do, and rain a fall outside. Nobody not see that the day the brother you're in a bed. I eat some food and I watch some show. Because rain a fall, everything cancel. If you go on a party and rain fall, bye, not my support. You understand? Every little thing, rain fall, don't know say. It not gonna work out. Up here, snow could have taller than you. You have to find where you go work. Jamaica is just nice. However, that is the end of my video. I'm gonna wrap it up. I try to go as fast as possible, but I talk a whole lot and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for the support, thanks for being here. Hit the like button, subscribe, share with a friend, bring a friend them over here. Thanks for the support, thank you for everything, and until then, peace out.